2005 Mercury Grand Marquis, luxury model, 4.6 liter V8. Still has the stock cats right there and right there. We did true dual straight pipes all the way back into 3.5-inch stainless steel tips. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. Oh yeah. Woo! Decibels? 111. Woo! That is loud. That is loud. Love these cars. Yeah. I know I'm not the same guy, but beast mode.